Well, hey friends, I'm here with my good friend Becca. Becca's been dancing with me here at my dance studio, Christina's Dance World, since she was 3 years old. Tell everybody how old you are now.
I'm
8 years old. Can you believe it? She's so beautiful and mature for an 8-year-old. And you want to know something else about Becca? She's really smart. Today, with her long, thick, beautiful hair, we're going to do a hairdo. Do you know what kind of hairdo you want today? Do you want me to try something new and totally different, or should we do French braids or something new? Well, let's see. Yeah, let's do something new for the holidays, like maybe a big girl hairdo for if you're going to church or a Christmas party with your parents where you get to wear a fancy dress. Does that sound good? Let's think fancy. Okay, here we go. So what we've decided to do, we were just kind of laughing, Becca and I. We were laughing because we haven't even looked online at any tutorial videos. But what we're trying to do is find a hairstyle that's not too grown up for her, but elegant for her age, and just kind of to match her personality for holiday parties. We started with 2 little braids in the front. Let's try this. I'm doing a low, messy bun. One time. Her hair is so beautiful and silky and thick. I mean, it is so fun to work with. 2, 3. We want to make sure this part doesn't fall out. So on the 4th one is when you pull it almost all the way through, but not all the way. Okay. And then on this side, I had these little pieces facing upward. So I'm going to do that here. And then when I'm doing messy buns, I always like to take the bottom pieces and just bring them up to the top. Look at that! And start bobby pinning. Start pinning them up. And then the braids are so pretty. So we're taking them across the top of the head, and then I took it around the bun, and I even let it pull some pieces up like that. And then we'll wrap it around and pin it. One more, that's all I get. Better make it look good. Hurting you a little bit? No? Good. Oh, it's cute, Becca. Yay! I'm gonna hide this last one right under here, and I hope it stays. Did that hurt?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? Well, then that means it's gonna stay in well. Look at her beautiful big girl hairdo for the holidays. That is so pretty.